think this is a wild cheetah. Think again, it's a serval cat. Servals are wild cats from Africa, known for their huge ears and long legs, which help them hunt prey in tall grass. They can jump up to 12 feet high to catch birds midair, making them one of the best jumpers in the animal kingdom. Despite their wild looks, servals are sometimes kept as pets, though they need a lot of space and exercise. Want to see more incredible animals like this? Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing facts every day.